Today we'll be exploring a topic that has been on everyone's mind. What will AI programming look like in 5 years? Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a topic of discussion for many years. It's gone from being a futuristic concept to becoming a part of our daily lives. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI has made tremendous strides in the last few years. And with the growing demand for more advanced AI systems, we can expect AI programming to evolve rapidly over the next 5 years. So let's dive into what AI programming might look like in the near future. Firstly, we can expect AI programming to become more accessible. Currently, AI programming requires a lot of technical expertise, which limits the number of people who can work with it. However, with the advent of low-code or no-code AI platforms, programming AI will become much easier. These platforms allow users to create and customize AI models using simple drag-and-drop interfaces. This means that even individuals without technical expertise can create AI models and automate their workflows. We can expect more businesses and individuals to embrace AI as a result of this accessibility. Secondly, AI programming will become more specialized. As the field of AI continues to grow, programmers will start to specialize in specific areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, or deep learning. These areas require unique skills and expertise, and by specializing in them, programmers will be able to create more advanced and specialized AI systems. This specialization will also lead to the development of AI systems that can perform more complex tasks and offer more advanced features. Thirdly, AI programming will become more explainable. One of the biggest challenges with AI is its lack of transparency. AI systems can make decisions that are difficult to understand or explain, which can lead to mistrust and skepticism from users. However, over the next 5 years, we can expect AI programming to become more explainable. This means that programmers will develop AI systems that can provide explanations for their decision-making processes, which will increase transparency and accountability. As a result, users will be more likely to trust and rely on AI systems. Fourthly, AI programming will become more ethical. AI systems are only as ethical as their programmers make them. However, ethical considerations are often overlooked in AI programming. Over the next 5 years, we can expect programmers to give more attention to ethical considerations while developing AI systems. They will need to ensure that their AI models do not perpetuate bias, discrimination, or any form of injustice. By considering ethical implications, AI programming will become more responsible and AI systems will become more trustworthy. Lastly, AI programming will become more collaborative. As AI systems become more complex and specialized, AI programmers will need to collaborate with other experts to create successful AI models. This means that AI programmers will need to work with data scientists, domain experts, and even other programmers to create AI models that solve complex problems. Collaboration will be crucial in the development of advanced AI systems, and we can expect AI programming tools to facilitate collaboration between experts. In conclusion, AI programming is set to undergo some significant changes over the next 5 years. As AI becomes more accessible, specialized, explainable, ethical, and collaborative, it will lead to the development of more advanced and specialized AI systems. These advancements will also bring new challenges, such as the need for more ethical considerations and increased transparency. Overall, AI programming will play a crucial role in shaping the future of technology, and we can expect it to become even more ubiquitous in our daily lives. It is up to AI programmers to ensure that they are developing ethical and responsible AI systems that can be trusted by users. We must embrace these changes and work towards creating a future where AI can be used to make our lives easier and more efficient without causing harm. Be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest content.